Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually start to go to copy a prototype. First of all, what you're gonna do about copying a prototype through this is about to understand this progress that you want actually from the start to go for the prototype over here, and we can start to add this frame. As you can see, you can start to go for every single setting in this prototype, and then starting with this behavior. You can see over here about to go with intersections, show prototype settings. You can start to see this is iPhone with the white, maybe teal, pink, ultra, I don't know what kind of thing. You can start to go with this and start with this kind of settings and save it with your progress, and then start to add it with is another frame. You can go with this another frame over here and start to deal it, which is really flow 2, flow 1, here intersections tab. Okay, so if you see for example here a navigate to, you can add it with the another one. That is all about.